Welcome to Guruvira Textile and Fashion Technology Tutorial. Friends, I am welcoming to our YouTube channel Guruvira Textile and Fashion Technology Tutorials. Now you are understand how many colors are there? Two colors are there. What are the threads? Count is there 40, 40, 108, 80 is there. Repeat is 3 inch, 1 inch width is there. Now, based on this repeat, the Jacquard punching cards, Jacquard needles working is calculated. The heels calculation is taken place. How many heels to be left, how many heels to be get down. And heels are operated by the Jacquard needles. Needles are operated by the punching cards. Okay, punching cards are calculated, done by the punching card designer. Okay, that is given to the Jacquard development, punching card development. In conventional Jacquards, punching card is used. But now in computerized Jacquard, the design is given by the computer itself to operate the machine. High technology, highly developed Jacquards are working nowadays. Okay, na? That's mechanical part. Okay, this is there. Okay, this is one part, friends. Now this part. And second thing, suppose the buyer or garment export house is given order on this fabric. How many color fabric? What I show is that is a single color fabric, but it is developed. This type of fabric can be developed many designs. Here, see, this is also one of the designs. See, same design, other colors is there. Okay, na? Only two colors I have. Oh, three colors also there. Okay, na? See, three colors. See, this is one color there, khaki color, khaki and white, and green and white, and here neon colors are there. Here colors are more. You see, friends, colors are more. Neon yellow color, green yellow is there, blue is there, light blue is there, dark blue is there. So it's very good. These are things are there, friends. Okay, now please remember, I'm not advertising this fabric or this company name. Friendly, I've taken this cards. You can go for, if you want fabric like this fabric, you can go for Konica Fabrics, Salem. Okay. See, I have many mills. I know the many mills in India. After, once this is over, design is over, artwork is there, looming is over, punching card design is over. Next, lab dipping. Lab dipping, color approval. Next part is the color approval. The color approval, how many shades are ordered by the buyers, customers. Based on that, the lab dipping. Suppose you have seen what color. Some simple colors are two colors are there. Two colors yarn dyes are dipped in a mill's lab and in ABCD options and sent for approval. Those who are ordered customers, whether garment exporters or buyers, it is approved. How many colors? Suppose in one order 3-4 shades are there. 3-4 shades, how many colors? Suppose sometimes 3 colors are there. I think 2 to 4, 7 to 8 colors to be dyed. And also it is, if colors is approval, then how many meters of fabric is a question. Bulk order, how many percent? These are all decided in the development stage. What I am explaining here, technical part. In the fabric, in the yarn dyed fabric, now development starts with the price, not the technical. Development starts with the fabric. Price per meter, and bulk delivery time, that is called bulk lead time, sampling lead time, lab dipping lead time. On all that, one more approval is there after lab dipping, desk loom approval. Friends, you know the desk loom approval. Desk loom is a small square cut table like this fabric. I think this board is there, no, half of this board, not half of the, in this you can make 8 desk looms, small looms, small toy loom. Okay, small looms, the small fabric is woven, produced. Once the textile design is confirmed, the construction, once the lab dip is approved, yarn's lab dip is approved, once the construction is approved, okay, then it is taken for desk loom. In the desk loom, okay, small fabric is woven. 1, 2, 3 option, they will own. It is not finished. This is a raw fabric. It is not a finished fabric. Just to understand the placement of the design and the placement of the colors, Placement desk loom is submitted by the mill to the customer for shade approval, for the shade of the fabric approval, for the placement of the design approval, for the how the fabric comes after finishing. Just a raw imagination. It indicates how the bulk can be modified, how the bulk can be expected. So desk loom is sent. First price is taken approval, that is approximate price. Okay, na? Then after that bulk lead time approval and lab dipping approval, sampling time. These are all approvals taken based on the expected bulk order quantity. Suppose usually mill will not take below 1000 meters of the fabric. Mills are working highly. 1000 is a minimum per color. One color they have to process the machines or plan the machines for 1000 meters. Minimum 1000 meters is required. So especially yarn dyed means it may take, even they may charge. Usually 1000 is there in India. And usually 1000 is there. If it is customized development is there, then the question is different. Friends, see here, price approval, lead time approval, bulk lead time approval, even desk loom is also approved. Then the next work is, after approval of the desk loom, next buyer approves shades, buyer approves desk loom, buyer approves designs, buyer approves price, buyer approves everything. Then buyer will ask garment export house where the cutting is there. Where they will ask, what they will ask? Sampling is asked. So 100 meter, minimum 100 meters, you have to run. Mill has to run for 100 meter fabric to get the sale market, to check in their selling market. Buyers have to check whether this kind of garments can be sold in their market or not. For that, what is required is done. Sampling is done. So 100 meter sampling is done, is worked. Merchant has stitched that garments and buyers have approved. Then bulk is going on. Friends, this is a small idea about the yarn dyed. This is Jacquard. These are Jacquard designs. Okay, now yarn dyed Jacquard fabrics. Okay, now this one small is there. This is whatever I explained theoretically, but to do this practically in the company, whether as a developer or as a merchandiser or as a designer, as a owner of the companies, it is a very tough job to convert concept of the buyer into the practical fabric. It is a very tough job. Okay, many people are involved, many merchandisers are involved, many GMs are involved, many MD, chairman, company owners, buyers, so many people are involved to execute this order, friends. Okay, friends, I'm going to close this today's class. Thank you very much for joining this class. Please subscribe to our channel, Guruvira Textile and Fashion Technology Tutorials. Like it and share it. Thank you.